What can I say? I love it. Now that is a heavy box. And there's also this one. The set is fully rigged up for the big box, but let's first open up the little one, because that is gonna be a little bit easier. My trusty knife. Whoop. That is clamp mounted power strip. Okay, I did not expect to get this. I thought this was the package that is stuck somewhere, but since we have it, let's get it open. All right, some technical specs, watts, USB-C, etc., etc. And there you have it. That is just a clamp power strip. It is way overpriced for what it is at 100 euros because it's just basically a power strip with a metal bracket. It is nice. Yeah, and it has some USB power delivery, 20 watts apparently. That's of course not enough for anything serious, but just a trickle charger phone, that is totally fine. Yes, and maximum 18 watts simple USB. Okay, let's move this aside and let's get to the real thing. Whew. Now that is a serious box. According to the tracking information, this weighs 17 kilos. And boy, oh boy, does it feel like 17 kilos. Let's see, oh no, it's actually more. Wait, 18.5. Anyway, without further ado, let's get this open. Whoop. Didn't even need to cut that. Bam! Right here it says box 2 of 2. And box 1 of 2 is stuck somewhere in the post. Well, I think I've got an email that they're gonna bring it to me on Monday. So I'm gonna wait for that, but I cannot wait to get this open. Alright, this is some serious box. So what do we have here? And it is upside down for me and upside down for you. But let's get this first. Jarvis handset. Up, down, or memory. So I have the memory version, the cool one. And okay. This is their memory console. Reset Jarvis before first use. Hold down to blah, 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 blah. We're gonna deal with that later. And it uses a very nice RJ45 connector. So that's cool. Actually, let me get just those two boxes out of this box. Okay, so what do we have here? We have feet and we have a frame. Let's open the smaller box first, which is feet. But oh my god, they're pretty similar in weight. Hopefully lighting does justice for this, but yeah. That is 1 foot. And that is another foot. And now for this wide frame. Yeah, you'll have to excuse me, I cannot really open this box fully, so it's probably gonna be a little bit dark, but let's see what we have. We have some assembly instructions. Those could come in handy. And that is a wide frame. Let's see, is it... Oh, Okay, it is not one piece. We have Jarvis hardware, some cryptic box. What do you call it? That is the white frame. And here is... what is this? Is that cable management hardware? Very cool. All right, let me unpack these so you can get a better look at them. Those are some serious legs, I tell you what. Okay, so this apparently slides out and adjusts to your desk's width. And now I see what is missing. It's actually the vertical parts. I was really hoping I could do this over the weekend, but apparently this has to wait till Monday. For me, it's eager waiting, but for you, it is movie magic. Finally! Finally it's here! Whew! Finally! Alright, let's open it up. Whoop! And there you have it! Jarvis lifting columns! Ooh, this is double boxed. That is... okay. Whew. So I've ordered the 3-stage version. Let's open it. Ooh. Okay. Mousepad. Huh. Thank you for buying Jarvis from Fully. For help, blah, 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 blah. Go to blah, 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 blah. Well, guess you could use that as a mousepad. I wouldn't. But a still nice gift. So these apparently contain motors. That's why they are extremely heavy. Out of here. Okay, let's remove these blocks right here. Let's remove the control box. And finally, let's get the... oh. So these are the legs. Okay, let's see what is in this control box. That looks like a hack. Okay, this is the control box. Feels quite hollow inside, not too heavy. What else do we have in there? And then we have the power cord. And this means that finally I have all the components required to finally assemble this desk. But the assembly is in another video. Click it. Also, subscribe. Click the video. Subscribe. Click the video. Subscribe. And I'll see you in another video.